In today's episode of Food Basics Reinvented, we're gonna make an amazing vegetarian pizza for those who love vegetables. But if you're more into something unique and different, I'm gonna show you how to make an Italian buffalo mozzarella pizza that is absolutely delicious. Stay tuned. To make the most delicious pizza crust, start with a 325 gram of all-purpose flour in a stand mixer bowl. Then add 12 gram of sugar, 2 gram of instant rice yeast and 3 gram of salt. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix using a spatula or a whisk. To prevent the dough from sticking to the sides of the stand mixer bowl during mixing, make a mountain in the center of the stand mixer bowl. Then add 200 ml of 105 to 110 degree Fahrenheit warm water on the perimeter of the stand mixer bowl, followed by 12 gram of extra virgin olive oil. Now that you have both dry and wet ingredients in the stand mixer bowl, attach the dough hook to the stand mixer and start mixing on low for 2 minutes until the dough comes together. Then increase the speed to medium-high and knead for 5 minutes until the dough becomes soft and stretchy. If you're not gonna use the stand mixer bowl for anything else, you can use it to ferment the dough in it. Today, I'm using a glass bowl to show you how the dough will look like after it has risen. Grease the bowl with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Then make a dough ball and place it in the glass bowl. Grease the dough with some extra virgin olive oil to prevent it from sticking. Cover the dough with a plastic wrap and leave it in a warm place to ferment for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or at least until doubled in size. During this time, let's craft the most delicious and simple pizza sauce. Start with a 400 gram or half can of San Marzano tomatoes. Then add 10 fresh basil leaves, 1 gram of sugar, 4 gram of salt and 4 gram of extra virgin olive oil. Use a blender or any mixer you have and mix until smooth and homogeneous. Give the pizza sauce a quick taste to make sure it's properly seasoned. It is so delicious. Now, after 2 hours, the pizza has doubled in size and the yeast has done its magic to make the pizza taste amazing. Deflate the pizza and make 2 dough balls that are equal in size. Place on a baking tray and cover with a plastic wrap. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes. During these 15 minutes, shred some fresh mozzarella cheese, slice portobello mushrooms, red bell peppers, and half some red and yellow cherry tomatoes for an amazing tomato variety taste combination. Now, dust the work surface with some flour. Place a dough ball on the work surface and sprinkle some flour on it to prevent it from sticking and mess up your entire baking experience. Flatten the dough with your hand at first, then use a rolling pin to make a circle. Dust the pizza peel with some flour and then move the pizza dough on the pizza peel. Add 1 ladle of that delicious pizza sauce and spread it with nothing but the back of the ladle to make yourself look like a professional. Then sprinkle a good layer of the freshly shredded mozzarella cheese. Distribute the sliced portobello mushrooms and the red bell peppers. Then sprinkle the split cherry tomatoes and some delicious Kalamata olives, preferably seeded and sliced. Finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and bake on a pizza stone for 8 to 9 minutes in a 475 degree Fahrenheit oven that has been preheated for 1 hour before baking. Get the pizza out of the oven and look at this, guys. This pizza smells amazing. Unfortunately, I can't dig in right now before finishing the other pizza. So let me show you quickly how to make the most incredible buffalo mozzarella pizza so I can start dig in. Dust the work surface with some flour. Place the pizza dough and dust the top of it with some flour to prevent it from sticking. Flatten the dough with your hand at first. Then use a rolling pin to make a 14-inch circle. Dust the pizza peel with some flour and move the pizza dough on the pizza peel. Add 1 ladle of that pizza sauce and spread it with the back of the ladle as we did before to make yourself look professional. Now, bake the pizza for 6 to 7 minutes until 80% cooked. You have to use your own judgment at this stage. After 6 or 7 minutes, take the pizza out of the oven. Get a ball of fresh buffalo mozzarella cheese and make 5 thick slices. And of course, place the slices on the pizza. Return back to the oven and bake for another minute or just until the cheese starts melting. Get the pizza out of the oven and finish with 4 fresh large basil leaves, 1 on each buffalo mozzarella plank. Now the 2 pizzas are done and it's time to dig in. Let me start with the vegetarian pizza. Look at this, guys. It's not just color, it is flavor. The taste of the vegetables is incredible and everything is perfectly balanced on this pizza. The orange cherry tomatoes are so sweet and that makes this pizza so much exciting and fun to eat. If you're a vegetarian pizza lover, this pizza is gonna be your absolute favorite. It's flavor rich and the portobello mushrooms should add a protein value that makes this pizza a complete meal by itself. Now let me try this amazing buffalo mozzarella pizza as well and tell you my experience. Look at this crust. This is why you need to use a pizza stone, because if you don't, you will never get such amazing flavor even if you use the most incredible pizza dough for making your pizza. Wow, seriously guys, this is incredible. It's so simple, but the flavor of the pizza sauce covered crust and the smell of the fresh basil on the pizza sauce is unbelievable. All combined with the incredible taste of the buffalo mozzarella makes this pizza one of my absolute favorite. I hope you like this episode. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appetit!